Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the RC Factory Twisted Hobbies MXS-C for the second flight. On the maiden, I managed to break off the wheels, which are basically some plywood, carbon fiber rod held together with glue and string. So I 3D printed these. It's my own design. But I don't have any 1.5 millimeter carbon fiber rod. I thought I did, but if I did, I don't find it. So I'm gonna have to order some, but I wanted to get this in the air, so it'll probably be a hand launch today. Let's see how that goes. Okay, no safe, no AS3X on this, so hopefully it goes well. Whoa, 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 whoa. Man, it just wants to climb. Okay, it's pretty steady now. I'm under half throttle when we switch to low rates. And yeah, I think I might need to add a bit of weight up front using a 2S500 as far forward as I can get it, and still not enough. But hey, for 3D flying, a bit of tail heavy should help. Not a lot of wind, and that's nice. And yeah, I don't know, this seems a lot slower compared to the erratics. Of course, I use a bigger and a lot heavier battery on that, and I think overall it's heavier. I should do a comparison video between the two. But yeah, this thing just floats. And I haven't updated my radio or any receivers to the new AS3X Plus. Haven't had time for that. I don't have the cable to update receivers just yet. But I'll probably get that, and I think they have a... Whoa. There I go, wanting to flip it to safe, but then I remember I don't have it, and yeah, that's a good thing to learn how to manage the plane without safe. So yeah, I will probably update the receiver radio to AS3X Plus on the erratics first, because I think Spectrum has a profile for that, and I'm not that used to programming receivers. I've done a few, setting up from scratch AS3X and safe. Whew. Yeah, okay, a little less talking, and let's try to get a bit more flying. Let's see. I'm on low rates, I forget what those are, but I think somewhere around 50% travel and a good amount of expo. I think I should. Needs a bit of trim. Yeah, that's better. Or maybe I should fly it a bit faster, because I really like this plane. It's amazing. It just floats. Even if you cut the throttle off, nah, it's not that floaty. Well, the airfoil is thicker. Hull foam is a lot thicker than the erratics. I feel like that one glides a bit better, maybe. But I'm really fascinated by this, and I think my next purchase will be again from them. I You can have the Turbo Beaver or something like that, which is also very light. Let's try some more hovering. Sort of, kind of, yeah. Whoa. Huge ailerons. Whoa, that's so fun. Which way is up? Which way is down? Okay. What? Ooh. Took my eyes for a second off the transmitter. Check the timer, which is almost up, so when we try and bring it down. Sorry if this is not very entertaining, but still getting familiar to this plane. And there goes the timer. See? Ooh. Oh, not bad. We held up. Yeah. So these are just pressure fitted. These, I don't know what I should call them, thingies for the landing gear. I'll probably order some carbon fiber rod. I hate it. It's so cheap. I don't want to pay for shipping, and not for just for that. I'll probably have to get a few more things. And once I make sure these work okay with the wheels, I'll probably upload and share the design. So if you're interested, you can use it on your planes. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, leave some great comments, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.